I don't know you, but I'm a fan of typing speed tests. Once or twice in a month, I try myself and try to beat my personal best. My average is between 80 and 90 words in a minute, a pretty expectable result for a programmer. But what if I break the world record? Well, of course I'm not talented enough, but I can at least reach a very high score with the help of my favorite automation tool, Selenium. I will be using Python and Selenium through the video and show you a great example how Selenium applications work. Enjoy the video. To not beat the score of a real user, I coded my own typing speed test web application. Actually, I coded this 3 years ago. It was one of my first projects, but the fact is, it's still working. So I can break my own web application without harming anyone. Let's get coding. First things first, I will import needed libraries. Actually, you don't need Chrome driver auto installer, but it's very handy. Then I will open up the web page with Selenium. In order to do that, I need to call Chrome method from WebDriver to create a driver instance. If we make driver to open up the following URL, I put my typing speed test application to a local host, and we can start actually using the Selenium. So as you can see, there's an input field and there are words that I need to write. We should take the first word inside this box because it wants us to type first word every time. When we successfully type this word, it will disappear and next word will be the first. So we know what to do now. With the find element by CSS selector method, we can reach this element through HTML3. I hit F12 from my keyboard and open up the Chrome DevTools. As you can see, the first word is wrapped by a TD element. To reach it, we can use TBody element as the parent. TR and the TD are the children of TBody. First word exists in the first TD element of first TR element. We can write the CSS selector like this. Next, we have to get the actual text from target element. To simulate it better, instead of copying and pasting words, I will send every letter in order. So I basically turn my word into letters list. See? We are able to get the first word flawlessly. But we have a problem. How do we know when to stop? It takes 1 minute to complete single test. At the end, it shows results. At the start, the result element is empty. We can use it to figure out when to stop. Let's create a while loop first and move our first word finder code inside of it. Inside of a try block, I will reach a child of the result element. Currently it's empty, so it will throw an error. But if it doesn't throw an error, it means result element has actually a child. So it means test is over. We can stop the while loop in that case. Last thing we have to do is simulating key hits. We were able to capture letters of first word. Now we gotta get input element and simulate key hits. Input element has a class named word input. I define it outside of the loop because it will be defined once, unlike the first word. It doesn't change by time. Let's create a for loop for every letter inside the letters list. Then at the end of the whole word, we send a space key to skip to the next word. And we are done. Let's test it. It's actually way faster than I thought. We could add a delay after every letter or word, but I'm happy with the result. Hope it was helpful for you to understand how Selenium and automation tools work. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.